Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to get started with VMware Workstation Pro. We're going to walk you through the steps of how to register, download, and install the software so that you can create and manage virtual machines directly on your Windows computer. Before we get started with today's video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so once we're on our web browser, we're going to paste the following link, which we'll have below in the video description. And let's press enter. This is going to bring us directly to the Fusion and Workstation product page on VMware's official website. From here, click to download Fusion or Workstation. That's going to bring us to another page here. Now, at this point, we're going to have to register for a Broadcom account. So we're going to be brought to this website. This is normal. In the top right, click the arrow and let's click register. I'm going to enter our email address here and I'm going to type in the CACHPA. All right, let's hit next. Now we need to go into our email and access the code that was just sent there. All right, I've copied the code. I'm going to paste that. I'll verify and continue. Now we need to enter some details. With all of that information entered, I can now hit create account. And for this part, I'll just select do this later. Now that we're here, let's go back to the sign in page. We're going to enter our username, which in this case is going to be our email address. We'll enter our newly created password. And now we're going to be brought to my downloads. So free software downloads available here. Let's click that. And now we're going to search for VMware Workstation and we'll click show results. And here we see VMware Workstation Pro. That is the link that we're looking for. And in this case, we're on Windows. I'll hit this and we'll just go for the newest release version, 17.6.3 in my case. I'll click that. Okay, so I had to actually click the terms and conditions. And then once that was open, I was able to check this box. And now I'll be able to download this. So just make sure to hit terms and conditions, then check this box, and now I can download. And I'm going to select yes. It's going to require some additional information here. I'm going to fill this out and I'll skip to the part where it's downloading. All right, and the file has just started downloading. We can see the exe is downloading now. I'll skip to the part when it's done and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so the product has finished downloading. We can see that exe here. And by clicking that little folder icon, we can see the downloaded file. I'm going to right click here and run as administrator. We'll select yes on the pop-up. And here we are at the setup wizard. I'm going to go ahead and click next. I will accept the terms and hit next again. I'm going to also check where it says install Windows Hypervisor Platform automatically. I'll click next. And for this, I'll click next again. I'll click next one more time and again, and then we'll finally click install. All right, guys, and we are successfully installed. I just opened VMware Workstation. At this point, we can use the application to create a new virtual machine. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything that we covered, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll have all those links down below. As our channel continues to grow, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas. If you have any suggestions of your own, we'd love to know what those are. And lastly, a like and subscribe goes a long way in supporting our channel and would be greatly appreciated. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.